find the sum and product of zeros without solving the polynomial? Yes. Today we will learn the relationship between zeros and coefficients for quadratic and cubic polynomials. Okay, this is very important for board exams. Watch carefully till the end, and I will also show a step-by-step verification questions. Okay, quadratic polynomial has two zeros, alpha and beta. See, sum of zeros equal to minus b by a, and the product of zeros equal to c by a. You don't need to solve the equation. Use only coefficients. See, formula matches actual sum and product. It's very easy, right? Cubic polynomial has three zeros, alpha, beta and gamma. Sum of zeros equal to minus b by a, and sum of products 2 at a time equal to c by a, and then product of zeros equal to minus d by a. Be carefully with signs. Minus mistakes are very common. Okay. Now we verify cubic polynomial. See, first substitute each zeros. Okay. When x equal to 3, we get p of 3 equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 1, we get p of minus 1 equal to 0. And x equal to minus 1 by 3, also we get p of minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Right? All zeros are verified. Check the relationship formulas. Sum of zeros equal to 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 5 by 3. And the formula minus b by a equal to 5 by 3. It's verified. And sum of products 2 at a time equal to minus 11 by 3. And the formula c by a equal to minus 11 by 3. And then product of zeros equal to 1. And also formula minus d by a gives 1. It's all are matches. So the verification is completed. So today we learn quadratic polynomial formula plus example, and then cubic polynomial formula plus verification. Practice for more examples. This makes you confident for board exams. And then this chapter is finished. If you like this explanation, don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with more easy maths tips.